Next topic is sum of first n terms of an AP. Now if AP is given to us and we want to find out the sum of first n terms of an AP, we know that what is the general form? A plus D, A plus 2D up to so on. This is the general form of an AP. And if we want to find out the sum of first n terms, it means sum of first n terms, it means A1, A2, A3 up to AN. So we want to find out the sum of these n terms of an AP. This is the meaning of this term. And in next case, if we want to find out the sum of first three terms, then what is the meaning of this term? A1 plus A2 plus A3. And we denote it by S3. S3 is the notation for first. Find out the sum of first three terms. These are the first three terms. If we want to find out the sum of first two terms, then what is the meaning of this term? S2 is equal to A1 plus A2. And here we have two formulas to find out the sum of n terms of an AP. First formula is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And second formula is Sn is equal to n by 2, a plus l. Here a stand for the first term and l for the last term. A is stand here for the first term and L for the last term. So this formula is applicable only when last term of the AP is given to us. Otherwise, in all other questions we have to apply this first formula. So these two formulas we have. Now come to the question number first of your exercise 5.3. Now question number first and first part. Find the sum of following AP. AP is given to us 2, 7, 12 up to this, and we want to find out the sum of first 10 terms of an AP. It means n is equal to 10. And what is the value of A? A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So this is the value of D. Now what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. Because in this question last term is not given to us, so we will apply here this first formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now when we put all these values, then we obtain S10. What is the meaning of S10? Sum of first 10 terms of an AP. And n is 10 divided by 2. 2 into a is 2 plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1 and d is equal to 5. So 5 into 4 plus 9 5 ja 45. 5 into 49. 5 9 ja 45. 5 4 ja 20 plus 4 is 24. So for sum of first 10 terms of an AP is 245 and this is the answer. And in this question we have 4 parts, and in all the parts same procedure you have to follow. So other parts you have to solve by yourself. Question number second part. Now these numbers are given to us, but we don't know how many numbers are there. First term is 34 and last term is 10. First and last term, these two values are given to us. Then we know that for that we have a formula n by 2 into a plus l. Value of a is given to us, value of l is also given to us. But n is a known quantity for us. We want to find out the value of n in this AP. We know that this is our first term, then second, then third and last term. If we consider that this is nth term, and when we find out the value of n, then we can say that this is the particular term. Okay, so in every question, each and every question, if we want to find out the value of n, then always you have to consider that, let us suppose this is the nth term. So same procedure is here. If we consider that nth term is equal to 10, a is equal to 34 and d is equal to 32 minus 34 and value is equal to minus 2. Now what is our general term formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is the value of an? An is 10 is equal to a plus n is not given to us because this n we want to find out, and d is equal to minus 2. 10 minus 34 is equal to minus 2n and plus 2. So minus 24 is equal to minus 2n plus 2. Minus 24 minus 2 is equal to minus 2n. Minus 26 is equal to minus 2n, and n is equal to 13. So this is the value of n, or we can say that this 10 is our 13th term of this AP. If this is the 13th term and we know that this is our last term, can we say that in this number, in these number, total number of terms is equal to 13. So formula is S13 is equal to 13 by 2. First term is 34 and last term is 10. So 13 divided by 2, 34 plus 10 is 44, 22. So 13 into 22, 13 2 are 26, and next is again 26 plus 2 is 28. So sum of first 13 terms, or we can say that sum of these numbers is equal to 286, and this is the answer.